subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Nokia has launched the successor of earlier launched Nokia C2 smartphone globally as Nokia C2 2nd edition with new design. Talking about the specifications, the Nokia C2 2nd edition features a small 5.7-inch FWVGA display with 18:9 aspect ratio, and it has 2-megapixel selfie camera under the top bezel, along with the LED flash to take bright images in low light conditions. The rear panel of the phone supports a single 5-megapixel camera under the rectangular module at the top left corner, including LED flash. Under the hood, the phone is powered by unknown MediaTek 1.5 GHz quad-core processor paired with 102GB of RAM and 32GB of internal storage that is further expandable up to 256GB via dedicated microSD card slot. As per the software, the handset runs on Android 11 under Go edition and it packs with 2400 mAh removable battery. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, FM radio, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a micro USB charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 154 by 75.9 by 9.5mm and it weighs around 180 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Nokia C2 2nd edition has been priced for the base variant at €79, while the 2GB plus 32GB storage option is priced at €109. The smartphone is set to go on sale starting from April this year in blue and grey color options. So what do you guys think of this Nokia C2 2nd edition smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.